Welcome to Best RV channel. Now Amari from Best RV in Turlock, California. You might seen this floor plan where you have a fifth wall with a rear kitchen, but this unit is different. It's a rear kitchen with the hidden stuff I'm gonna show you right now. Let's start here in the back. Especially for the Alpine, it's completely different unit. People, they don't realize an Alpine is a wide fifth wall. So it's a wide body fifth wall. So as you see, the width of this unit is beyond the 96 inches. It's actually 100 inch. That's the reason why it's very open. Also, on the slide out is a flush, but look, the height of the slide out is a higher slide. Why? Because they use hydraulic system, not electric auto leveling. They use 6-point hydraulic system. So everything in the Alpine is different and higher, and I'll show you that in detail. Now, look how big this humongous rear kitchen. Everybody give you rear kitchen, but it's too dark. But you have two big windows here. You have this a long window, so when I'm cooking, working in my kitchen, I could look out. As well, I could look up in the back. Also, if you notice, this is all nice cabinet with shelf. Versus the other, they give you small cabinet. Going to the microwave, 30-inch microwave. More cabinet. I don't know what are you gonna, guys, you fill it, but look how huge this amount of the kitchen cabinet with a crown molding in the top of the cabinet and a crown molding on the unit. So this unit is speak for itself. This is beyond normal rear kitchen that you see in somewhere else. 2 trash can, one for recycle, one for disposable. More storage. Now they use residential sink, and the reason why they have 3 sink cover because the sink is too big. So they have to make it 3 ways. Look how this is the same sink you have in the big houses, and the same sink you see in Home Depot and Lowe's. And that's the reason why the counter is 3 pieces. Solid surface countertop, not a Formica. Plugs everywhere. There's a plug here in case if you want to turn something. You have I call this is the appliances counter space, coffee maker, toasters, espresso machines, prep area around the door, the 3-burner range, and an oven. And this is not a warmer, this is a cooking pan doors. So you could see the amount of the doors you have in this unit. Now, cameraman, show them how big this fridge. This is a 4-door refrigerator, not a 2. One, and then one for ice maker. There's an ice maker right here. So 2-door freezer and 2-door fridge. And ladies, they say, now wait a minute, you say appliances counter space, but I don't see that. When I cook, I need a nice prepping area where I put my cooking pans, cutting the fruit, vegetables. So sorry, Niall, I cannot use for appliances counter space. Wait a minute, they give it to you right here. This is especially for appliances counter space, or you could call it the bar. I could put my margarita mixers. I could put my espresso machine. I could put my toasters. I could put my booze. I mean, whatever you want to put your bottles here, or glasses. Nice. You want more storage? Pantry. I could put my sugars, salts, peppers, flours, cereals. So you have a nice, beautiful bar, nice, beautiful appliances counter space, nice, beautiful pantries. It's all right there because you have 2 doors. So you put cereals, all the stuff right here. Easy to get in, solid wood, it's not a paper, and no issue with this. So this is what is separate this unit from the others. Is you from this standpoint to the back, huge kitchen, huge counter space, huge pantry, you name it. Now, from here, I'm stepping in my living room. Now, in my living room, a lot of them, they give you just the table and a small bench and 2 chairs. But this one, they always customer complain, look, I bring a lot of people with me. A lot of people with me. I could sit a whole entire family. I could sit a whole entire army on these tables. I mean, physically, I could sit 6 people or 7 people sitting here eating dinners or lunch or breakfast. So it's a big, longer U-shaped dinette with the big 2 windows, and again, all has roller shade. Facing that, I could watch the TV here, 65-inch smart TV. You have the nice 2-tier seating running on electricity here. As well, man, where's my drink? I want to take a nap. So So you have 2 theater seating facing the big TV with the fireplace. Another hide-a-bed sofa. So you have a big bed right there. I could sleep people there. I have this hide-a-bed sofa. I could sleep people. Storage underneath the bench with no problem. So it's separation. Kitchen, living room, dining. This is what is worth $1 million. I have a mid-bunk room. And they give me the ladder. I could go sleep one person here on the top. I have this one. If I want, I could remove it up. Give me a second. Somebody put it on. I could remove this one right here. And I could use, you see, nice hide-a-bed sofa. 2-seat people, you could sit, enjoy the beautiful TV, office. There's more to this functionality because I want the cameraman to show them. I could put a TV here. I could use it as an office. If you want an office, I could push this more. Now, put my laptop, work on it, then I'm done. And then you have all these storage. And then all these cabinets. So the kids' room, this is hide-a-bed, sleep 2 people here this way, 1 people on the top, 2 in the dinette, 2 in the hide-a-bed. So that's mean 1, 2, 3, and 3 here, 6, and 2 in the front. So I could sleep 8 to 10 people. Now, people ask me, what's this? Is my gun safe? No, this is not your gun safe. This is a nice fridge. Like, let's say the kids, they'd like to drink soda pop. That's where I put my soda pop or my water. So when the kids, they sitting here playing their Xbox, and you just push hard on it. When the kids sitting here watching the TV or playing Xbox, or you're sitting in your office doing homework, they have a place for their soda pop and waters. That's what is Keystone. And then you have a solid door for full privacy. Coming down here, a beautiful king-size bed with vanity, big TV I could put here, place for a stackable washer and dryer. Closets, king-size bed, a 3rd AC, and Jack and Joe bath. Wash my hand, please. Place for my towels. Trash can for the toilet. And 1-piece big showers with a big faucet and everything. So you could see the enjoyment of the $379 Alpine we have in stock. Price, put your feet in cold water. No one comes close to our price because we give you the lowest price guarantee you in the state of California on this unit. And we have it in stock. It's a brand new 2026. We sell for less, no hidden fees. Come get it.